Today we are going to cover how to send my landlord a message. And so what's nice is everything's connected once you have your lease done. You just log in here and you click this right hand corner, this message bubble, and right in there you can send your landlord a message. So let's go ahead and can you please share my contact information with the service professional provider, and we're going to send that, and that message will go live to our landlord, and they'll be notified in a few different ways. And once they respond, we'll have it right here, but we'll be notified about that response um, both inside of, um, we can print out that information, by the way. So if you ever want to see a dialogue or to store that dialogue, it'll download right to your computer. If you do it by phone, it will download to your phone, so be careful on that one. But that is pretty much it. So any contacts you have or landlords, you can message them all here inside of this platform. You get all that, and that is TenantCloud on how to message my landlord.